Assalamu alaikum. I am Tasmur Rahman Tanisha, studying at Department of Political Science, University of Dhaka. I am a student of 16 batch of Political Science Department from Section A, and my roll number is 73. Today I would like to discuss about classics. In the Western world, classics traditionally refers to the study of classical Greek and Roman literature and their related original languages. Classics is a form of literary work in which the author offers the solution to the contemporary problems which must have the local and timeless dimension. In the definition, we can find two main points of classics, which are solution to the contemporary problems and timeless dimensions. Now, let's discuss about these two topics. Timeless dimension. Timelessness refers to the idea that a work of literature transcends times and remains relevant across generations. It is used to describe works that are considered classics because they continue to resonate with readers long after they were written. Contemporary problems. The literary section of classics always works by relating with the real-life issues and find the solution of the contemporary problems by relating their characters with our real-life problems. This is how classics always solves contemporary problems. Now come to the point. Why should we read classics? We need to study classics because classic not only illuminates the past but also it is entirely relevant to our future. If we study classics, it will help us to increase our analytical and critical thinking as we will examine and analyze ancient culture. We will be able to improve our writing and oral communication abilities. The study of classics develops skills of reading, interpretation and communication that are essential for our future life, which offers a knowledge of history and culture that informs, challenges and inspires us to do something creative. So I think it's clear to us that why should we study classics. We have already come to know that what is classics, and also we have known about its importance. We realize that it is too much important for us to study classics. Now a question comes to our mind that how can we study classics? There are some ways of studying classics. These are understanding the text, understanding the context, understanding the methods. If we understand the text, context and clearly, it will be easy for us to study classics. And another important way of studying classics is understanding political vocabulary. There are so many words that has different meaning in politics. As most of the creations of classics are written about politics, so one have to understand the political vocabulary to study classics. Now come to the next important topic. We know that everything has a good and its bad side. Classic has two. Though classics has a vital positive impact on our life, the limitations of classics are gender bias, Eurocentrism, etc. Gender bias is the biggest limitation of classics. For example, many classics works were written by men and feature male protagonists. This can lead to a lack of representation for women and other marginalized groups. Another limitation of classics is Eurocentrism. This is a matter which has been highly criticized in classics. Eurocentrism means the tendency to view the world in the view of European literature. This can lead to the lack of representation for non-European culture. This is all about classics. Thank you.